Audio Jungle.
Wow.
Audio Jungle.
An overview on how to use the Glitch Text Maker for Premiere Pro. As you may notice, here we've got the Glitch Text Maker for letters, an extra version which is some differences in the rotation, based on lines and based on words. Let's simply arm one. We select it, we'll drag it and drop it in our timeline. And as you can see, it is updated really quick. And in this case, we have a simple RGB glitch. Let's begin editing the glitches. We select our layer and we go to the Edit tab from the Essential Graphics and let's add our text. Let's type here XFX Designs. XFX Designs. And now we can see everything updates here. We can also move, as usual, our text, also scale the size and change the color to anything we like. Then we can also open the globals, and as you can see in this example, we have a really minimal glitch effect, like so. But if we enable the glitch, now the magic happens. Let's right click on our timeline and mark the clip, and let's hit space. I'm doing this in real time, so you see what is the process of the animations. And now as it plays once, we can now check out our animation here by clicking a simple spacebar, and this will update. Also, we have some cool effects here that we can use, such as the RGB effect or the glitch maps. Let's change the glitch map, let's make it 12, and you have 35 glitch maps. And now our animation updated. If we hit space again, it will take some time to load, but in this case we have changed our animation to a different map. And as you can see here now, in this example, everything updates really quick. Also, you have anything you like from controllers, such as the randomizer, the speed, and the delay. Let's make this to 7, which I like. Also, if you want to adjust some of the animation, I advise you to click on this Enable Glitch and open your animation in values. And from here, you can adjust the animations. For example, we want to position X, and let's make this one to 0. And now, as we may notice, our letters come from the left to the right. And now we can again add our glitch here from the global. Let's enable it. And as you may notice, it is enabled, and the glitch is procedural to your animations. Again, I'm working in full resolution, as you can see here, and everything updates almost in real time. And now we can check out the final result. Same for the animation out. Let's again disable the glitch so we can come here from the animation out, and let's say we want it from the position X to go right in this area, and let's reverse the output, and now we've got a simple animation like this. Again, I will make this one to 0, and now we can enable our glitch from the globals, and we have this cool animation out with the glitch effect, of course. Let's give it some time to load, and now we have created a totally procedural glitch inside Premiere Pro with the powerful animation engine of After Effects. So now let's use something else. Let's delete this one and let's open one from the letters. I'm driving in the letters, and let's type here. I'm going again, edit our text and type simple XFX. And now, as you can see, this one works for letters, and my animation happens based on lettering, like so. To add the glitch effect, I'm simply going to enable my glitch, and let's add number 22, for example, in this case. Let's hit play, and as you can see, this cool glitch happens. I will make the full loop so it loads the whole animation, and now we can check out our final preview. This is the final based on this map. So any differences you make in your animations, I will disable the glitch again and come here in my animation in, and let's simply add a rotation effect. I will rotate the letters as they animate, like somewhere here. I will go to the rotation and simply drag it like so, maybe also the scale of the y-axis. And this is the raw animation that is going to happen. Okay, now to add the glitches, you simply again open your globals, enable your glitch, like this, and select your map. Let's type another map here. And you get a totally different animation every time you play your timeline. Of course, you can also drag and at the end of your animation and expand it. Let's check it out. Here you see the animation happens right here, but if we click and drag our layer, now you may notice that the animation will not be disturbed. This is the space that we need to have a static scene, and in the end this will happen. Okay, pretty much this is it, how to use the glitch text animator. I hope you like it. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions.
Audio Jungle.